So everyone, this guide will show you how to download Roblox on your PC and laptop. But before we start, please consider subscribe to our channel and liking the video. Let's open up your browser. And here in the search bar you can type in Roblox. Just enter and click on this link. Once you're here, you can sign up new account or log in into your account. And once it's done, you can choose maps that you want to play. For example, doors. And just click on this button. Wait sometimes. And after that you can click download and install Roblox. Just click it. And in the pop-up window that appear, you can choose where you want to save this file. In my case, just downloads file there. And as you can see, file is downloaded. And here you can see instruction. Just click Roblox Player XE and run. Okay, join. Okay, let's start. Do double click here. Wait. Alright, just click OK button. And after that close this. And just play button. And as you can see, it's the Roblox start connection. And installing. Wait. Alright, as you can see, game is started. And you can play here. I hope you find this story helpful. Please consider subscribe to our channel and liking the video. And you can watch this new video or this playlist about Roblox. See you next time.